Hey folks, we're excited to launch App Access Matrix, a free tool from Stitchflow. Every IT team has faced this struggle. A simple request, who should have access to this app, turns into hours of combing through spreadsheets, cross checking roles, and chasing down stakeholders. Access policies often get outdated, app and business sprawls are getting real, and compliance audits are always a nightmare. So we built App Access Matrix for IT teams to get a structured, dynamic way to define, review, and update their SaaS access policies per app, per user role, team, department, or even location. Getting started is quite simple. You need to set up your App Access Matrix. So start by choosing your organization size, the different role types that you have in your organization, and the different departments, and also the locations. And click Generate Matrix. This helps you create a tailored access policy matrix template for your organization. And you can also customize your app permissions. So we have pre-filled a few apps here for you based on all the selections that you've made. So if you don't want any app that you see on the screen, you can just click and remove app. And you can always add this app back later. And depending on the apps and permissions that you have very specific to your organization, you can always edit the permissions by saying who needs to have access to which app. So it's just a matter of click. And if you don't want access, you can just revoke by signaling across. And for every app, you can also make further edits like arranging based on the look that you want. Also, if it's a company-wide application, you can ensure that everybody in the company has access to it, such as Slack. And if you want to revoke access across the org, you can also remove access and you can always give it back. And if it's for a specific group that you want to give access to, let's say you want to give access to the sales team for Salesforce, you can just allow group access and only that group gets the access to this app. So for every app that you add here, we've got like a bunch of apps for you to select from. For every app that you add, let's say you add a bunch of apps, it gets added to the table and you can always go and edit the permissions as required for any app that you want. And you can also keep fine-tuning your policies. As you see, there's a filter and a group by which you can always view based on who you want to see, which team has to have access to which app. So you can group by location, you can group by role type, or you can also leave grouping by department. And further down, you can filter down by the role type, as I said, where it could give you a group, but with also specific to the role type that you're looking for, or Salesforce. And it gives you access to Salesforce. And you can see who has access to Salesforce here. And further down, you can see which location folks have access to. So if it's USA that you want to check through, you can just type in USA and you can check through Salesforce access for all your US colleagues. And furthermore, you can also export and share. All you have to do is download as a CSV, and this is going to be ready for you. This tool is completely free. If you're spending hours managing SaaS access permissions manually, try App Access Matrix today and bring structure to all the messiness that you've been facing. And do let us know what you think of this app. Thank you.